안녕 꼬마 친구들. Hello friends. I am Aran Sim. Sam is short for 선생님. 선생님 means teacher in Korean. What's your name? Wow, it's nice to meet you. 반가워요. Let's learn and play together. 우리 같이 놀고 배워요. This is Ooyoo Eggie. Ooyoo means milk and Eggie means baby. Ooyoo Eggie says, 안녕. Can you say 안녕 with us? Wow! Great job! 잘했어요. 안녕 means hello in Korean. Now let's practice some Korean greetings. Our first greeting is 안녕. 안녕 means both hello and goodbye. Let's practice together. 안녕. 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 Great job! 잘했어요. What if you meet your grandma, your 할머니, or your grandpa, your 할아버지? How would we greet them? That's right! Another way to greet our grandparents is to bow our heads and say 안녕하세요. This motion of bowing is called 배꼽 인사. 배꼽 means belly button and 인사 means to bow. 안녕하세요 is a polite way to say hello to a grown-up or teacher. Let's practice that together. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Let's bow. 안녕하세요. Great job. You did such a good job. 잘했어요. What if you meet a friend and you feel super excited? How would you greet them? That's right. You can say 안녕. Great job, 친구. 친구 means friend in Korean. Thank you for being my 친구. Now let's learn our next greeting. 반가워요. That means nice to meet you. Let's say it together. 반가워요. 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 Great job! 잘했어요. Will you sing the hello 안녕 song with me? Great! 좋아요. It sounds like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's sing it together. 같이 해봐요. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. 안녕, 안녕, 반가워. I'm so happy now we're friends. 우리 친구 됐어요. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. 안녕, 안녕, 반가워. Yay! 잘했어요. Great job. Yay! That was fun. Our last greeting for today is 잘 가요. 잘 가요 means goodbye in Korean. We can use both 안녕 and 잘 가요 to say goodbye to our family and friends. Can we practice that together? Great! 잘 가요. 잘 가요. 잘 가요. Great job! 잘했어요. I'm so happy to learn Korean with you. Do you hear that? I think someone's at the door. Who is it? 누구세요? Do you see who it is? It's Ooyoo Eggie. Ooyoo Eggie네. Hello, Ooyoo Eggie. 안녕, Ooyoo Eggie. I think someone else is at the door. 누구세요? Who is it? Do you see who it is? It's Teddy! 곰돌이네. Hello, Teddy. 안녕, 곰돌이. Wow, it's so nice to see our friends Ooyoo Eggie and 곰돌이. Ooyoo Eggie, 곰돌이, 반가워요. It's so nice to see you. It's time to say goodbye to our friends, Ooyoo Eggie and 곰돌이. Will you sing the goodbye song with me? It sounds like, are you sleeping? 잘 가요, 잘 가요, 우유 애기, 곰돌이. 다음에 또 만나요. See you again next time. 안녕, 안녕. Can you wave bye-bye to 우유 애기 with me? Okay. 안녕, 우유 애기. Let's say goodbye to 곰돌이. 안녕, 곰돌이. Bye-bye, Teddy. It's almost time to go. I had so much fun learning Korean with you today. Let's review what we learned. 안녕. Do you remember what 안녕 means? That's right. We use 안녕 to say both hello and goodbye. Do you remember what we say when we do a 배꼽 인사? Yeah, that's right. We bow our heads and say 안녕하세요. How about 반가워요? Do you remember what 반가워요 means? That's right. It means nice to meet you. Is there another one? How about 잘 가요? What does 잘 가요 mean? That's right. It means goodbye. Do you remember any of the other Korean words that we learned today? Wow, that's amazing. I've had so much fun with you today. 오늘 너무너무 재밌었어요. Please like and subscribe so we can play again together next time. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕 꼬마 친구들. Bye bye friends.